Nice.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. There we go. Oh my gosh.
And BTS out, and that's stopped me out. Like, even though the bidden ass didn't reach it. It's like a phantom.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done for the day.
10 off?
No, 5R.
Oh.
I wish 10 hour. Oh my gosh, that'd be crazy.
So what you done for the day?
Because I made 5R, and then on my swing trading account, I made $64. Maybe I could take a reversal now. I just think trying to short anything now is too many bars.
Wait for things to pull back and then short again.
Yeah. JP Morgan looks great. JPM, it just broke that low. Hopefully not a new low failure. But it broke the low on the daily chart. Looking for some. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can see what we're doing now on the daily chart. On the SPY we are.
Yeah, we're gonna retest that low, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Nice. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Hey man, I'm back.
Yeah.
Just saying goodbye to the wife. It's rain. You getting some good rain.
Nice.
Yeah, are you guys getting rain or?
I don't know. Haven't seen it.
Look at that USAR. Ooh, look at that drop. Nice.
Check out ALAB. Check out ALAB
What's up?
or level 2, ALAB.
ALAB, okay. ALAB, ALAB. Oh, yeah, 3-bar play.
J&J shock gap. Look at that. J&J.
J&J, okay. Let's take a look.
Meta is going down too.
Oh, yeah, shock gap. Total shock gap, yeah. Just wait for it to close underneath that low. Very nice. How much does it cost to short NVTS? You said like 5%?
No, 0.
Oh, 0. Oh, nice. Well, it looks good for a short. One thing I don't like about, though, is the market's right at a critical area. So could it go a little lower? Definitely. Will it bounce? I think there's a very high odds that it could. So I'm just being extra cautious. Like I think, for instance, USAR, that might be the low. Oh, ALAB. There we go. 3-bar play just triggered.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Give me the... There we go. Nice. Nice.
Hey, Tesla coming down. Should have jumped in.
Yeah.
Amazon coming down also.
Nice. Yeah, we're starting to transition on Tesla. I think Tesla's going to reach back down to that $381 area eventually. But JP Morgan's looking good. How you doing?
Oh, I took only one trade and it stopped me out for $0.5 loss.
Oh, okay.
That's on the NVTS.
As soon as you showed me that USAR, I was like, oh, shit, I'm jumping in.
Yeah.
And that thing just ran crazy. I think if that one's the one that got me a good thing. I literally got out at the very bottom, which is crazy. But I used the hourly chart, and I saw I was looking to the left. I was like, we're right into support now. Amazon also was really good for me. I did Amazon, Tesla, JP Morgan. The one stock that didn't really go anywhere, which was SNDK, which is no surprise. They're like some. Oh, let's see. Is Oracle dropping too? ORCL, Oracle. Oh yeah, look at Oracle. Ooh, that's a nice one. Producing a lower high. All right. JP Morgan's still going down. Oh my goodness. JP Morgan almost at 220, 291. That's where I think it's going to get to 291.44, that support. There we go. I'm not totally convinced that the market's downtrending yet because we need to form a pivot. And then I'll know it's downtrending. But I think it's pretty obvious that wide range bar set a ignition,
Yeah.
on the market. So it just now it's like the question of where are we going? Are we going back to a prior pivot? Are we going to hang around this pivot that we're at? Are we going to actually turn into a downtrend and really get the moving averages to cross? But if this was an intraday chart and I saw this happening, I would be reluctant to short underneath this bar because I'd be thinking, the moving averages are still not crossed. And I'm going to do a TSLL. Once we get exhausted down to that low,
Oh, come on, you sell off. What do you
What's
think?
up? What's up, man?
I'm trying to take a profit on this Eric. Because
Oh.
it's in the choppy area, so I'm like, let me put in order, but then it's only sold just a little bit. I'm like, oh, come on. Can't wait.
That's annoying.
Okay, finally. Jeez. I am up 1-all. I'm thinking like AG might be a shock gap, so like I went long.
Oh,
And it's not
let me
going.
take a look. You said AG?
It's going to resistance, so I think I'm just gonna get out once this candle finish.
AG.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, it's not a shock gap.
Yeah, no, it was a shock gap. It just
Oh, it was? Let me see.
don't follow through.
Yeah. I guess my definition of a shock gap is something kind of like your what was it? It was the bank one. I think it was the bank one, right? It has to break the way that I oh yeah, great example. USAR. It has to break underneath the previous day's low or high in the opposite direction. Oh, it did?
It broke. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. And then if it did that, then yeah.
It's fill the gap.
No, okay. And if it broke underneath that, if it broke above, so like basically it's the idea that it starts above yesterday's high, and it shoots down really strong in the morning with no pause, and then breaks underneath the previous day's low. Then you know it's a total shock gas. Or vice versa, starts over previous day's low, shoots up really hard in the morning with no, like, we're talking like, you looking at the 2-minute chart, there's no pause, it just goes, and then it breaks over. It's kind of telling you, like, how strong that people are, but it's not 100%, just like in trading, nothing's 100% all the time a work,
Yeah.
It's just, things are either high odds, or on the opposite, they're low odds but they high win rate. Low odds but a high R multiple. Like you'll get something that like barely ever happens, and it fails and it fails and fails. But then when it finally works, you get like multiple R's. I've noticed you can't. It's hard to have the two. It's hard to have like something that has like high win rate, extreme high win rate, and huge multiple R's. Have you noticed that? Like they talk about that in trading, like they talk about like basically you barely can. It's rare to have both high win rate and a high R multiple with versus a. But it's easy to have a high win rate with a smaller R multiple. And then a small win rate with a high R multiple.
Yeah.
But if you can get the two together, or at least half of it, like maybe a medium win rate, but with a high R multiple, then that's great,
Yeah.
Because that means, you get like a 70% win rate with like a 3R multiple on things. Man, you're profitable all the time.
PNAB is coming down. How far can this thing go?
I don't know.
Same with Intel.
Nice. Hi, buddy. Hi, it's raining. It's raining, sweetie. It's raining. Nice, A-Lab. Yeah. Looking good. Look at that bounce on USAR. I was waiting for that. There we go. There's that bounce. Hopefully it gets back up into the VWAP, and then you can short into that VWAP, you know?
Yeah.
I wouldn't even take the first level 1 into the VWAP. I think wait for it, or if you do a first level 1 into the VWAP, do a major wide range. Like if it says like 19 shares, go like 5 shares, and then look to add on a secondary signal, because I have a feeling this one is going to be tricky. Like now you have a target. Your target is back down to 33, right? The low of day, but also considering how bullish this thing has been, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing, you know, plays games with everybody and like pops a little bit and then pops a little bit more, and then you're like, fuck. You know, and then you get out, and then it finally rolls over, you know, after like, I guess the way I look at it is, this thing shot down, and it's left a lot of people in trouble, so it's better for the market to collect a lot of supply than it is for them to just drop it again. So I think they're going to bring it back up, collect a lot of supply up near the VWAP, and the supply is basically going to be people that are bottom buyers that are trying to buy this thing, and hopefully it goes higher. And if they're not happy and it keeps struggling, eventually they'll dump their shares. But I don't think it's going to be like, oh, we're going to dump it and then it's just going to drop like it was. I think it's going to be, we're trying to go up. It's going to fail a little bit. How much is it on Webull? USAR. Let me take a look. How much is it on Webull? Let's see. Its borrow rate 7%. Ah, that sucks. How much is it for a share? Oh, well, you could take option contracts and do an option contract. That's interesting. Option contracts are expensive, though. Let's see if I go down to 20, and I go down, 31. Okay. 31. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to get a little higher, so that way these put contracts get cheaper and cheaper. And then I'm going to do a contract, a $30 contract, thinking that it can get down to $30. Let's see, would $30 be, the moving average, okay, yeah. So I want to get a little higher, come on, keep going.
Nice.
Take a look at NVTS.
I know, I took a special sauce just now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
I was thinking when I saw that, I was like, I bet you're jumping in.
Yeah, my stop is at break even to see if it's gonna stop me out.
It looks pretty good. I think you might get some follow through here.
I hope so. That'd be nice. We test a low day. That'd be
there
nice.
There it is.
Yeah.
There it is. There's a level 1 just triggered.
Yeah.
You could add to it. Low of day in sight.
I think it's gonna keep my share size.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. 10 hour would be the low day.
Oh, 10R? Damn. Yeah. I think it's possible to do 10R, for sure.
Yeah, hopefully if it can go to retest a low day, that would be like...
The problem is it might not go there right away. That's the annoying part about some of these. Like, you're basically saying, I want this stock to move without any bounces.
Yep, no
obstacle. And I'm like, I don't know.
Yeah, like, I want to move with no obstacle, just go. Yeah,
just free flow down, you know, and it's like, well, look at the market. One thing we got going on it, which is great, is look at the market. Market's going up.
Yeah.
And this thing is putting in a top. So that's kind of cool. At least, you know, at least it's showing the weakness.
Yeah,
but I don't think it's going to go like, at least from my personal experience, they never go just so smooth. So you're like, oh,
this
that was
thing
easy.
also gapped up, so there's a reason why it's gapped up.
Yeah, exactly. Strong. Yeah, you just nailed it on the head. There's a reason why it gapped up. It gapped up because of something good.
Yeah. Oh,
And
that might come down still.
Oh, damn! What the heck? It just did a weird flip. Did you see that? I don't think that's real.
Oh, which one? ALAP?
NVTS. It just put in a weird top and tail.
Oh yeah. What the heck?
I don't think that's real because that would have taken you out.
Right. Luckily, no, it haven't taken me out yet.
Yeah, that's weird. I hate it when Thinkorswim has. I mean, if I go to my NVTS, no, there's nothing there. That's weird.
On Webull?
On Webull, yeah. On Webull, the VWAP is underneath that price, which is weird. Yeah, we got the VWAP above, but on Webull, the VWAP is below that. It's touching the VWAP right now from the. So that's weird.
Well, it's kind of working. Hopefully, it can keep going.
Yeah, I think so. I think you're gonna get a nice move here.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Kind of going for me, just barely.
INTC, where's INTC at? Oh, nice. Yeah. INTC almost at the 20 MA.
Go back to the VWAP. Dang, this NVDA is like, can be so choppy.
Yeah, not fun. You could take WFC, same kind of setup, level 1 to the downside off of it. But like you said, why did it go up in the first place? You know what? NVTS would be so much more powerful if it was a gap down.
Yeah.
I feel like this setup that you just traded would work so much cleaner if it was on the downside.
Yeah.
Because then you're going with the trend, you're going with the gap, you're going with the daily chart. Right now, you're only going with the intraday chart. You're going against the gap and you're going against the daily chart. You're going with the intraday, which I think is fine. I've had a lot of trades work in my favor that were just intraday.
Okay. Well, right now it looks kind of good. Looks like it might keep going.
Yeah.
ALAP also not really going for me.
NVDA might have a 3-bar play.
NVDA?
Yeah, same with Tesla. It looks like they want to do a 3-bar play, maybe. Oh, sorry. I have on my tiny little thumbnails.
Yeah.
I put 15-minute charts, so it's I guess a 15-minute 3-bar play.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, I realized that when I had it on 2-minute or 5-minute, I couldn't because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18 little thumbnails.
That's chump chain, man.
I know. Compared to you, I know. But I figured I can't watch more than 18 stocks at a time, and then I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6. So I can be in 6 trades at a time. How many trades can you be in at a time?
At the moment, I said to 8, maybe even 9. If I use.
Oh my gosh! So you have 9. Like a bit like multi-time frame, and you can jump in and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing.
It's wild. I mean, like, so I have 9, but then I also have each one of those 9 have 3 smaller time frames, like the 2-minute, the 15, and the daily.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Like, because on my 5, my 6, I have a 2-minute, 15-minute, daily, and an hourly on each one, besides the 5-minute. And my 5-minute's the biggest chart.
Yep.
And so it's like, and so those occupy that one big screen.
Yeah.
And on that screen, I was able to fit 18 tiny little thumbnails onto the left.
Yeah.
and I figured, and when I put them to 5 minute, they got too squished. But when I put them to 15 minute, they're wide enough that I could see the pre-market information, all that other stuff. So it worked out great. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to eventually get a bigger screen.
Yeah.
I want to get like a screen about twice the size of the one that I have right now.
Yeah.
Rather than having a double screen, like dual screen, I want to get one that's just that size and curves. You can put it right in the corner, and it'll curve around the corner.
Oh,
and then I can basically have, probably put like 6 or 7. I'll have the same thing, but I'll have more thumbnails, a little bit bigger, and a couple extra screeners. And then I think basically it'll be perfect.
The curve scheme, I don't feel like it's big enough because of resolution wise and size wise.
Yeah. It's funny, most people just trade one stock, so like.
Yeah, no, we're doing like 8.
Yeah, and the funny thing is they'll have these massive screens. I've seen people with these massive screens, and they're trading one stock at a time, and they pull back so much data. So like they'll have like that 5 minute like stretched out like really far across the screen, so they can see like multiple days and this and that. And to me, it's so funny because it's like, you can see the same exact information if you just make a higher time frame.
Yeah.
Like they're looking at the 5 minute and marking like, here's support and resistance from yesterday, this and that. And I'm like, if you just put a daily chart on your like a small little daily chart, you'll see the same exact information.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's so funny. And the crazy thing is these people are still profitable.
Yeah.
I see all these traders, like I sent you this trader yesterday that was like, I made this mistake yesterday and it cost me, $4,000. And then she went over her trades and they were just awful trades. Like I was like, even if she got the direction right and the trend right or whatever, they were not good entries. Like she was buying, she was trying to go long a stock that was clearly downtrending. Yeah. And she was buying the red bar. Like, I was like, what are you doing? You're buying in the middle of a red bar? And then she's like, and I was just like, oh my God. And of course, and then the other thing is it's downtrending, right? So then she finally got the idea, I'm going to buy a green bar. But the green bar was already moving up into the 20-period moving average. And so she was buying into resistance. And I'm like, so basically, you tried to buy the red bar and you didn't know where support was. And you didn't have any clear sign of there was a support, so you just bought. And then finally you decided, okay, I'm going to buy green because it's going up. But then you bought green when it was into the 20. And then she does another.
NVTS almost stopped me out. I moved my stop now.
Oh yeah, then move back to break even probably, right? So close.
It's so close. I just now moved my stop like to like a top of that previous candle.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But yeah, this lady was like, I was just looking at this stuff going, what are you doing, lady? And then to top it off, this is the worst part I noticed about these people, is afterwards, they try to go over what they think that they did wrong, right? So they're like, I would have taken this trade again, right? So everything's about like, in hindsight, I'm looking at this, I still would have taken this trade again, right? So that's what they're saying. I'm like, okay. So you would have taken this trade again, and they're like, the only thing I probably should have done a little bit better was lower my share size. So that way I could have withstood the volatility. I'm thinking, what are you talking about? That's like, it's seeing the volatility, that's hindsight.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, we don't know how volatile NVTS is going to be, right?
So NVTS, see how they're putting in the bottom wick with the green candle?
Yeah.
I decided to take a partial right below that.
Yeah.
Just in case, because it seemed like it's getting too choppiness. So
exactly, yeah.
It's like doing that, like weak back and forth here, so I'm like, let me just lock some of that in. So
Yeah, look at the market. It's bouncing right at that last place that it bounced before.
yeah, market went up.
Yeah, so we don't know how volatile something is until afterwards when we look at it and say, oh wow, those candles really moved wide and up and down. So it's like when she was saying like I should have lowered my share size because it was so volatile, and I'm thinking like, but that's hindsight. So like that's not a good your idea is not going to help you in the future because you still don't know what in the future how volatile one stock is going to be versus another. So like she still doesn't get like the reason why she lost is she anticipated.
Yeah.
And the reason why she lost the second time is because she bought too late into resistance. And then the third reason why she lost is she put her top stop so tight on a keep in mind she's trading on a 1 minute. I thought, oh my gosh.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like, and then the funny thing is these people are freaking teachers. They teach traders. They have like, you can buy their course, you can join their room, and I'm thinking like, the fact that you can't figure out what you did wrong, which is just blatantly obvious right in front of you, is a reason why I will never join your room. And the fact I just don't understand how you're even profitable. I just don't get it. Like when people trade like that, I'm like, how are you even profitable?
Yeah.
Because you can't go back over her trades and say like, this is this setup. There's no such, like, there's no setups. That's the weird part is like each trade is its own, like it's almost on its own whim. So it's like, well, what's the setup? I don't know. It's just I bought because I thought it was oversold and it was going to bounce. I'm like, oh my gosh.
About this NVTS, should I hold on to this and wait for the candle to stop me out, or should I just?
Well, if you took a partial already and then you're going to move your stop to break even, I would just let it go and just, you kind of already, you might be surprised. Maybe it'll go down crazy, but maybe it'll stop you out, break even, You can always look back in like 15 minutes, like wait for 15 minutes to pass. And then if you have a new support area or a new resistance area, you kind of lower your stop loss to that.
Yeah.
But I mean, there's nothing that it can do wrong to you now if you have your stop at break even.
No, I'm put my stop to profit now.
Oh, great. Well, even better now.
The problem is right here. I would probably get out. I think I should get out.
All right.
Because this one's sideways now. I don't think. I don't know. I'm moving my stop to above that 8 curling up now.
Yeah.
So yeah, it just stopped me out.
So I'm really tempted to take some money out of my Thinkorswim because I'm now up over 1,000, right? So I know that the
Okay, so here's what you can do is take out only 10%.
Okay.
So like when it reaches certain point, take out only 10%. So if you make 1,000, take out $100.
And then that way, basically the R unit is still a little bit more.
Yeah. Or here's what I'm doing. Like I put in that if I make 10 off for the day, I take out 1% of my gain for the day.
Okay.
So you can.
But I don't make 10 R often. I wish I could make 10 R. I think
you can do 5 R. You do like you got 5 R, you can get out.
Yeah. Yeah, I've noticed the past since we set up this trading thing. I've noticed I had a couple. I had one 10 R day. Yeah. I had a bigger R day, but most of my days are above 5.
Yeah.
And it's
good. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm happy with that. I mean, it's good to make 5 R. I just don't want to lose 5 R on a day.
Right, and so far you haven't, and usually you don't, unless you go
Unless I go crazy.
That's it, crazy.
I know.
Luckily, you haven't done that in years.
Yeah, no, I've done it here and there.
Okay.
I've had it where I was down multiple. I come back, but it's really bad. Like I've had it where I'm like, I'm down like more than 5 hours, and I keep trading. I'm down.
Check out Nvidia, looks really good. I think you would like that pattern.
Nvidia?
Yeah. Level 1 after VWAP, but it's above the 8. The only thing I don't like.
Oh, okay.
Well, I don't know. Need no call today too. I'm up 5 off, 5.5 off.
Yeah. Yeah, it says I made $82 on my swing trading Webull, and then I made over 100. So almost like a $200 day. And I bought. What I did is yesterday, when Tesla was going up, I was like, oh, I don't believe this for 1 second. I was like, yeah, it might be going up intraday. Like I got back from the gym and I saw that Tesla was continuing to rise towards the end of the day.
Yeah.
And I was like, wow. I'm like, this is shocking, but I was like, the 23rd moving average is above.
Check out A-Lab. Check out A-Lab. Oh my god, I got out right at that candle and I just shot straight up.
Oh, now it's dumping?
No, it shot straight up. So I'm like, I'm glad that.
Oh, nice. Level 1 right there. Yeah, right up into the VWAP.
I'm glad I read that correctly because there's like 3 balls already and all 3 of them have bottoming wicks.
Bottoming tails, yeah, you did. Like, and the level 1.
Yeah, so I just like, I'm getting out on the next candle. So now we saw straight up.
If you got out on the next candle, I wonder if you would have gotten a bad fill?
No, it was fine.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it didn't go up right away. Just slowly crawled up.
Oh, okay. Nice. Yeah, look at that. Level 1.
Wow. Though, that kind of go against the trend.
It is, yeah. So it's funny how, like, this level 1, I would have loved to have taken. This would have been like a 3-hour trade. Yeah. Just one move. And then I would have gotten out right here. And I'm probably sure that would have been over. That would have been it.
Yeah.
But, man, yeah. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I think it might be done soon to the upside. Yeah, all right, man. Well, how many arguments did you make today? Crazy, brother.
So right now it's 5.8.
Hey, that's great.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think 5R is a pretty good.
Yeah. I'm hoping to do like 10R, but
on average, I know. Yeah. I would love if my average win would be 10R a day, then I can afford to have 5R red days.
Yeah.
I've had like 10R red days too, which suck. Because then you go, oh man, I just gave back like 2 days.
Remember my 50R day?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
It's terrible.
Yeah. That's awful. That sucks. And the thing is, there was one point where you could have just ended at like -10, and been like.
No, that's moment where I probably could get down like -3.
Oh really? Jeez. So you were. Oh man, that sucks. So you were only down 3R,
and I'm like, come on, let me keep going so I can get break in.
Jeez, so you're risking 3R. You're risking 3R of your rest of your day to lose.
After
that, lose 50R.
Yeah, after that, I just kind of like dig myself. That's why, So I was like, probably come like down 10R, and then -3. Okay, come on, keep going.
Yeah, that's. Oh, that sucks.
It's one of those things that it just affect your psychology,
Yeah, it's so true, and I've been there, and that's part of the reason why I'm doing this new thing. That when I, after a certain amount of trading time, I think to myself, is it really worth to continue to trade to try to make? Because I know what's happening to me after a certain point. When I'm profitable after a certain amount of time, I start getting a little bit like I don't want to lose anything, you know?
Yeah.
And so I'm trading from a place of being scared, not from a place of just trading the trend and trading things. And so, you start making mistakes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you also have like that thing where like I cannot be red today, you know? Like I don't want down $1, I don't want down $2, next thing you know down $10 and stuff.
Yeah, I think everyone. I listened to a trader and he says his worst red days come from being up on the day first.
Oh yeah, that used to be some of my worst day. Yeah. Like, I'm up $3. Next thing, I'm down $5. Oh, great.
Yeah, the worst red days because you were green.
Yeah.
And you go from green to red, and then you feel like you can't leave, the computer because you were once green. So like, how can you get back to that?
Yeah, that's what some people do with trades. Like, I'm gonna do only 3 trades today. If it's work, if it's not, walk.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, think about that guy, Stock Market Wolf. He trades only the SPY. Mm-hmm. Some days he doesn't even trade the stock because it doesn't set up at all. So and then when he takes a trade, he gives it 3 tries. And keep in mind he uses wide stop losses. So he gets into the first trade. If it doesn't go as planned, then and it's truly stops him out. He'll change his bias. And then he'll go then to the opposite direction. Yeah. And then usually that'll work because he's correct. But then if that doesn't work, he says he'll rarely take a third one. That'll be it usually because the third, keep in mind, he's not just flipping. He's only flipping when it sets up a true entry.
Yeah.
Whereas you and I, it's like, oh, it didn't work right away. And we stopped out on this. Let's just flip it now. And it's like, wait a minute. It's not even underneath the moving averages yet. Why are we shorting it?
Yeah.
Well, he's going to be like, I'm getting out of this when it breaks underneath the moving average. So he really takes a loss when it loses, Yeah. But then again, he also made $2 million.
Crazy.
He made freaking over $2 million on that big red day that we had.
Imagine we wait for it a little bit, huh? Just I think 20 minutes, and then everything just stopped dumping.
Yeah. Well, that's the power of his ability is if you look at that day that happened on the spot, like if I go and look at that day, that was only 3 days ago, and I try to see what was there a sign to do, and I'm looking at it. Okay. So I can see in the morning, I could see someone trying to go long in the morning, and you could have easily stopped out break even. But then after that, I don't think there's any setups to do any short. Keep in mind, he doesn't trade any time frame except the 5 minute. So he's not looking at these 2 minutes or anything like that. But if you notice, look at this chart. I mean, I'm just going to show you the moment that he took a short. So I don't even know. He could have even taken a long that day, but I just want to show you. Let's say he buys right here. I'm going to just put 1. And then it doesn't work, and he stops out break even. And then keep in mind, he only does high a day, low a day breaks. Okay. So now he's got his new entry right here at 2, if it works. Then he's got all this support.
Yeah, I'm so glad I read that NDTS correctly.
Oh yeah, it's going back up, right?
Yeah, it's going back up. A-Lab's going up too. Keep going up.
What about that one that I traded in the morning that you mentioned? Is that just going sideways now?
Which one was it? USAR?
Yeah, I think it was that one.
It's kind of going sideways right now.
I figured. Okay.
Yeah.
So take a look at this.
Let me see. USAR. Yep, it's going sideways. It has a crazy wick though, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Look at that. So basically, that's probably what he did.
Okay, let me see.
And then the rest is history. He managed it so great.
Oh, yeah, wow, nice.
Right? So,
probably took one, probably stopped out break even. Then he put his new entry, the idea is over the high day. He's waited, nothing's happening. And he's just letting all this chop happen. And he uses moving average, by the way.
Okay.
So he's got similar moving averages, and then it finally breaks underneath all the moving averages, all those wicks, the low of the pre-market low. And he says, okay, I got my entry. He shorts it, and then, just lets it just continue to go. So,
yeah.
So